Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Epiphany, and today we will have a very special project, and that is I will be customizing my Army Bomb version 3. So yes, I'm super nervous right now because this is the first time that I will be doing this, and let's just hope for the best. Sana maging maayos to kasi I don't want to mess with my Army Bomb, but I'm super excited because I want to really turn my Army Bomb into Suga's mic. That looks like a Suga's mic. So next time I'll be doing my MOTS Special Edition Army Bomb, pero try ko muna sa version 3 kasi kinakabahan ako eh. So pag okay sa version 3, then I will be doing it for the MOTS Special Edition. So those who are asking for about the giveaway project that we've done last time, yes po, na-ship na po yung ating dalawang Army Bombs. Coming na po dun sa mga winners, and the winners agrees na they will be posting the photo of the Army Bomb once it arrives. So waiting na lang po tayo. So these are the things that we will be using today. So let me introduce first. So lahat po ito binili ko lang sa Shopee, around 250 pesos, lahat-lahat na. Okay, so first so let me open it. Okay, so first thing is of course the glue that we'll be using. I bought B700 Multipurpose Adhesive. Some of YouTuber actually used. Some people used E700, B500. I don't know what's the difference between those. So I just bought this because sabi sa review, super adhesive daw. So, next, be using transparent tape para matakpan niya, no? Ayaw kasing makalat. So, next. I'll also be using Rhinestone Picker. I bought this on OMG. Sa Shopee din lahat. Okay, so Rhinestone Picker. So, ganyan itsura niya. Okay. Kita din natin to. Kayahin ko sa Suga. So, this one. Yes. So, yan. Po siya. And then, and of course, I bought this one. Rhinestone. So, hindi po ako bumili ng Swarovski kasi sobrang mahal niya. So, parang feeling ko masyado namang mahal na yung Army Bomb ko. Baka manakaw na. So, here. So, I'll be using black one para hindi na ako black lead. Kasi yung mic ni Suga is black. So, hindi na ako kailangan magpintura. Unlike yung other mics. Yung gold and then everything. Kasi kailangan magpintura. Ito hindi na. Kasi black na yung Army Bomb. So, isang pack nito is 1,000 pieces. So, I bought 3 packs. 45 pesos isang pack. So, I bought 3 packs. So, meron akong 3,000 rhinestones. oras na to rate everything that I've done. Sobrang happy ako sa naging result kasi I really wanted to have to make this. I really wanted to make this. Sobrang gusto ko talaga siyang gawin kasi gusto ko talagang i-ano yung black mic ni Suga. So finally, I've done this. Thank you so much. And dahil dyan, tinanggal ko na sa loob ng box yung lagayan na to kasi nga medyo natatakot ako baka magtanggalan ng so kung nagtatanong kayo kung ate matibay ba yan, hindi ko pa sure eh. So antayin nyo next vlog ko if what will happen during concert, no? So malaman natin during concert. Pasok ko na siya uli sa box. Actually, itong box niya, oh my god, palaglag. Actually, itong box niya kompleto pa with a dust bag and yung mga, tag to, photo card and of course, yung ating guide. No? So, lalagay ko siya ulit. Pero wala na yung standee sa loob. So, dahan-dahan. Yeah. So, everyone, thank you so much for joining me today, for joining me today. So, sa mga magtatanong dyan, ate, gaano katagal mo ginawa? So, I started doing this 9 a.m. And time check, it's already 1:30. So, if you count that, so 10, 11, 12, 1. 4.5 hours ko siyang ginawa. So, habang ginagawa ko naman yon, may iba pa akong ginagawa. Like, nanonood ako ng video while doing that, tas nagchat-chat pa ako. So, hindi rin talaga siya super focus. But I guess, kung nag-focus ako sa kanya ng talagang focus, I would have finished it matter of 4 hours. So, yeah. So, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy. I hope naka-gain kayo ng something here at magawa nyo din ito on your own. So, sobrang mura lang din siya. Sobrang dali lang naman talaga. You really just need patience to do this. And gusto ko na sana ihinto kanina after 2 hours of making. Kasi sakit sa likod. Pero naisip ko, Suga is the most patient of them all. So, parang naisip ko, kung si Suga nga ang patient niya sa lahat ng bagay, ako pa kaya. So, yeah, so that's it. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy everything. So I'll see you again next time. Thank you very much. Bye! Borahae. Don't